Hello YouTubers! I'm not an expert. Today we're going to take a look at this Stanley No. 7 plane that I've been fixing up. And you may remember I just made this knob, and last year I made that tote. This was a No. 7 plane that I've had in my collection for a while, but I haven't really done anything with it. It needs to be de-rusted, cleaned up, dealt with. The blade is actually a decent blade, but it certainly needs a sharpening and a cleaning. But that's going to come later. Really done anything with it. So what I've done to it, well, quite a few things. First, I made this tote out of walnut, and the finish on it that you're looking at is Rubio Monocoat, because I had some, and I thought, well, I would usually put boiled linseed oil, but Rubio Monocoat ends up being a lot like boiled linseed oil, only it's supposed to last a lot longer. And I thought, well, I don't use a No. 7 very often, so not a bad idea. We'll give it a try. Then the other day, I made this knob. Now, a No. 11 would normally have a short knob. Here's the original knob. I made a tall knob because I kind of like the tall knob better. And that meant I had to buy a replacement rod because the short knob uses a short little rod, which is like this, and I wouldn't be able to reach the brass nut that holds it in there. Okay, so I custom made a little knob, and there's a video. I'll show you that. I'll put a link. And this, just so you know, okay, so there's 3 patent dates, and there's no ridge here, and there's no raised boss here. And I also replaced the depth adjuster with a modern one off of, I think, a Type 19. So that's like a post-war plane. Here's the original depth adjuster, which I could put back in there. I don't know. You might leave in the comments how you feel about originality. Now, the original tote was broken. The original knob was fine, but it didn't match the tote anymore, so I made a new, that's why I made the new knob, just to make them match. But if you think I should put that back on or leave it off, I don't know. I like the large ones better for actual use, but it's not really a big deal. Let's see, what else have I done? I've sanded the sides, I've sanded the bottom. There's still a little more sanding to do. The toe area is chips. The toe area is a little low here. It's a little dimple, but it actually sands even a little over here, so it works just fine. And I put some wax on it to keep it from rusting. The blade, I took the blade out and sharpened it. You can see I did the ruler trick, and then I had to grind the blade, so I've only sharpened up the very edge, but it does seem to make a nice shaving if I want it to. Matter of fact, let me put it in the old vise and we'll give that a try. There's a super thin shaving. Make a little thicker one. There we go. That one was a pretty good curl. Let's take a look. All right, this is just pine. Very simple. But you can see that's working quite well. I think we're ready to joint some board. All right, so that's just a follow-up of fixing up an old No. 7, Type 11, which I forgot what year that is, but it was a long time ago, like 1910 or something. All right, we can look that up. That's all I got for now. We'll catch you later.